Let's unravel the process of getting your podcast buzzing on Spotify using the magic of Buzzsprout. First, you upload your podcast episode to Buzzsprout. Why Euro? Think of it as your central podcast hub. This involves creating an account and then directly uploading your audio file, including editing your podcast title, description, and cover art. Buzzsprout then takes over the technical side, generating a unique RSS feed for your podcast. The RSS feed is a special link containing all the information about your podcast, the episodes, title, cover art, and more. Why Euro? An essential link for distribution. Next, you submit your podcast RSS feed to Spotify. You can do this directly through the Spotify for Podcasters website. This tells Spotify where to find your podcast episodes. Spotify uses the information in your RSS feed to display your podcast information when a listener starts a new episode. It streams directly from the audio file hosted on Buzzsprout but played on Spotify. After the episode is live, you can access helpful data on both platforms. Buzzsprout gives you detailed analytics to track downloads, including a breakdown of listener demographics, and Spotify offers its own stats within their platform. Regular uploads and quality content keep your podcast fresh, encouraging more listeners to find and enjoy your show on Spotify. Happy podcasting. And that is how Buzzsprout and Spotify work together to share your podcast with the world.